Hello, my dear friends. Hi, how are you? This is Jayashree, and I welcome you to this class. By now, I hope you have completed writing your story. Have you? Okay. Let's move on to our story now, which we have. What's the title? The title of the story is Who Did Patrick's Homework? Who did Patrick's homework? Let's see. Who did? Let's try to find the answers in this story. Who did Patrick's homework? Patrick is a school going kid just like you. He just goes to school just like any one of you. He never did his homework. He hated doing homework. He never liked to complete his homework. He always hated doing his homework. You know what did he do? He never completed and he used to spend his time playing Nintendo. Nintendo means video game. He used to play video games and he used to play basketball. That's how he used to spend some time. You can see Patrick's picture there and he has a hockey bat in his hand in that. He might even be spending his time playing hockey too. So that's how he used to spend his time without doing homework. What happens naturally? He used to perform very badly in his exams. So his teachers used to tell him, Patrick, you should do your homework or else you won't learn anything. They used to tell him. But Patrick never listened to them. He never listened and he never did the homework. What happened, one day? One day he found his cat playing with a doll. It was not actually a doll. Immediately, Patrick grabbed the doll from cat. It was not actually a doll. It was a man of the tiny size. Tiny means very small. It was a man of tiny size. It was a man. Can you believe that? Man of this size? Let's see what happened next. The man looked like this. You can see him in the picture there. He had old fashioned clothes on him and he has a tall hat and long ears. He has long ears and a tall hat and old fashioned clothes. Okay. He seems to have some magical powers too. So that's why we call him Elf. Elf is a supernatural creature, just like a fairy. He pleaded Patrick to save him and he said, save me, don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish. He said so. Patrick immediately said, only if you do my homework till the end of the semester. He got an idea. You do one thing, I'll save you from the cat, and what wish I want from you is you do all my homework till the end of this semester. There are 35 days to end this semester. So, this 35 days you have to do all my homework. So, this little elf did not like to do that. He kicked his legs, he doubled his fists, and he had shown all kinds of expressions on his face. He had shown anger, he had shown disapproval, he had shown disgust, he had shown disgust, disapproval, anger, and whatnot. His face wrinkled like a dishcloth, like this. His face wrinkled like that. He did not like to accept that, but there was no chance for him. Patrick saved him from the cat, so he had to give him a wish. The wish is he has to do all Patrick's homework. That's he has to do. What can he say now? He had to agree. He agreed. True to his word, what did he do? He began to do Patrick's work. But he needed Patrick's help in reading, maths, history, and whatnot. What happened, This elf always called Patrick. Patrick! Patrick! He was a nag. He always used to complain. He used to squeak. Patrick! Patrick! Like that, he used to squeak always. Shout like anything. He used to shriek. And he used to squeak like that. Patrick! Patrick! Like that. Then what does he ask for? He always asks for help. What did he say? For example, he was doing some English homework. He comes across some new word. He does not know the meaning. Elf does not know the meaning because as a magical creature, he has never done any homework. So he has no experience how to do that. So immediately he used to call Patrick. Patrick! Then he used to ask him to bring the dictionary. And what's better, look up the word and read me out the meaning. He used to say like that. Bring the dictionary and look up the word and read me out the meaning. And after that, while doing maths, while doing additions, subtractions, divisions, every time he needed Patrick's help, Elf always used to call Patrick and he always used to ask him for his help. And history also, we elves never know anything about history. It is a mystery to us, he said. So again, Patrick has to refer the books and help him. What happened, Patrick used to go to library. He never did go to library earlier, but now he was going to library and he was reading books just to help Elf complete all the homework. So Patrick started to work harder than ever. You know something? He never did that much hard work. So he started to work harder than ever and he even stayed up nights. He even used to wake up at night and read books. His eyes are swollen and he was very tired. Elf slipped out when the semester was over. What happened, All the 35 days passed on. So then Elf slowly slipped out when the semester was over. Patrick wrote exams just like that. And after that, he got all A grades. He got super marks in all subjects. His performance has gone to another level. You know something? All the teachers, friends, parents, everyone is so surprised. And everyone was full of praise for him. Everyone started appreciating him, appreciated Patrick, and Patrick was so happy. Not only his performance in the exams improved, but also his behavior got changed. He started to keep his room clean, he started to keep things where they belong, and he got changed a lot. His behavior is changed. He started to listen to his parents. He started to respect their parents. He started to do whatever he has to. He got changed a lot. Then what happened, Patrick thought he had made Elf do all the homework. He thought so. But who did Patrick's homework? Who did Patrick's homework? Do you think it is Elf or Patrick himself? Yes, it was Patrick who did all the work. So whatever the effort that he had put in completing the homework, whatever the hard work that he had put there, changed him. It brought him A grade. And what happened, he even got changed so much. So when you help yourself, you are going to become a better person. No one is a better person to help you than yourself. So you help yourself. Self-help is the best help. Always help yourself, and that is going to help you become a better person. And taking this story as an inspiration, I do hope that every one of you starts helping yourself and complete your homeworks, because that is going to bring a lot of change in you. That is going to make you a better person, and that is going to bring you better grades. So please do help yourself, because you are the best person in this world. So please do help yourself and become a better person. That's all we have for this video now. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.